Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of air travel. Whether you're a seasoned jet settler or a first-time flyer, these essential tips will make your journey smoother, more enjoyable, and stress-free. So fasten your seatbelts and let's take off. Tip number 1. Organize your essentials. Keep important items like your wallet, passport, medications, and travel documents in an easily accessible pocket or pouch within your carry-on bag. Roll your clothes to save space and bring that lucky travel sock. Tip number 2. Choose your seat wisely. Seat selection matters. If you're tall, go to the exit row. If you love the view, snag a window seat. And if you're a bathroom ninja, the aisle is your runway. Remember, the middle seat is like the Tip number 3. Stay hydrated. Water is the best friend up in the sky. Dehydration is the villain here. So sip that H2O like it's your job. Skip the booze, save it for the beach. And hey moisture, your skin will thank you. At tip number 4, entertainment essentials. Chargers and power banks. Don't forget chargers for your devices and portable power banks. Airport and planes usually have charging stations, but having your own backup is helpful. Tip number 5. Snack smart. When you're on a plane, the food they serve can be a bit unpredictable, so bring your own snacks. Pack things like nuts, fruit, and protein bars. And here's an extra tip. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water during the flight. It'll keep you feeling refreshed and ready to explore your destination. Tip number 6. Combat jet lag. Adjust your sleep schedule before the flight. Stay awake during daylight hours at your destination. If all else fails, blame it on the time travel fatigue. Sounds cooler. Tip number 7. Comfortable clothing. When flying, choose loose fitting, breathable clothing made from fabrics like cotton or linen. Slip-on shoes and minimal jewelry make security checks easy. Remember, comfort matters during air travel, whether you're embarking on a short domestic flight or a long international journey. Feeling at ease in your attire can significantly enhance your overall experience. So prioritize comfort and enjoy your time in the sky. Tip number 8. Move and stretch. Stiffness is the enemy. Walk around the cabin, explore the plane cabin, and in your seat, do airplane yoga. For example, you can try neck rolls, ankle circles, and toe touches. Second to last, we have tip number 9. Use travel apps. For example, you can use the Flyfi app. Simply scan your boarding pass and stay informed about flight changes, delays, baggage claims, terminal or gate information, and more. No more surprises at the airport. Flyfi simplifies your journey. Real-time flight updates, airfare alerts, airport peak hours, and more. All at your fingerprint. Last but not least, we have tip number 10. Arrive prepared. Be ready, check your documents, charge your devices, and check your documents a second time to double check. And embrace the excitement of your upcoming adventure. Pack any necessary medications or first aid supplies to ensure a safe and enjoyable journey.